Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied subsidiary book. Subsidiary book is non-cash transaction. Non-cash transaction. Subsidiary book is 4 types of subsidiary book: purchase book, sales book, purchase return or return outward book, sales return or return inward book. 4 types of subsidiary books: purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return. Purchase book means what? You write only in credit purchase only you recorded. Credit purchase only you recorded. Sales book means credit sale only you deals in credit sales only you enter in recorded. Okay, students. Today sum number 5 in new book, old book, sum number 10. I explained yesterday class sum number 4 I finished. Today sum number 5. Listen, students, everybody, you start class work, you write neatly. Do not write overwriting. Do not tear a paper. Okay? You write neatly, students. First you read 1 or 2 times you read question. First, record the following transaction: sales book and sales return book of Miss Pony and Co. and post them to ledger. First you created which book? First you created, mention which book you created: sales book and sales return book only you created. First one, 2017 August 1, sold goods to Senthil as per invoice number 68 for 20,500 on credit. August 4, sold goods to Madhavan as per invoice number 74 for 12,800 on credit. August 7, sold goods to Kanagasabai as per invoice number 78 for rupees 7,500 on credit. Return inwards. Return inwards means sales return. Return inward. Inward means return book. Senthil as per credit note on 7 for rupees 1,500, for which cash is not paid. Cash is not paid. Next one, sold goods to Selvam for cash. Next one, date number 25, sales return rupees 1,805 Madhavan as per credit notes 11, which cash is not paid. First you identify sales book and sales return book. Sales book, first one is sold goods. Sold goods means sales book. First, date number 1. Listen, students, you cash purchase means do not write. You credit purchase only you write. Okay. Second, date number 4, sold goods to Madhavan. Second means fourth one, date number 4. Next, date number 7, sold goods to Ganagasabha invoice 78 for 7,500 on credit. This 3 entries only sales book. Listen, students, you write top the line, blue color line, you write in this book of Miss Pony and Co. sales book. First column date, second one particulars, Third one, invoice number. Invoice number you enter. Listen students, particular lines you created new column, one column in particulars column. Small, compulsory create this column. Invoice. Next one, ledger folio. Next one, debit and credit column. Listen students, total value or figure you correctly you write digit order. Some students you write zigzag order. The one time you write left to starting, another time move just for one finger gap, move figure is digit is change. That is wrong method. You write digit order. Compulsory you write digit order. First one, listen students. Next amount, detail, total. You use only in single side paper only. First one, August 1, Sendil and Co. Sendil, how much? Rupees 20,500. Only one goods means you directly you write total column. But two goods means you write only details column. Afterwards you total only put right total only in total column. Single amount means you directly write total column. Double amount, double figure, double goods means you write only in total. Detail column you write total. Answer only you put right total column. This sum is single figure. Single figure means you directly you write total column. Next one, Madhavan is invoice number 74. Amount is 12,800. Next one, Kanagasabai, how much? Rupees 7,500. Invoice is 78. The total amount is 40,800. The total is how much? 40,800. Okay. Next one, sales return book. Sales return book is date number 15. Return inwards by Sendil as per credit. Note 75. Rupees 1,500 which cash is not paid. Or credit only, not paid in cash. Some question as per credit. Credit is not mentioned means do not write this entry. But this entry is credit purchase, credit note. Credit note means automatically you write sales return book. Next one, date number 20 is what? 20 is sold goods to Selvam for cash. Do not write this entry. Cash is, do not write in this entry. Only you credit only this column. This lesson you write. 25, sales good Madhavan as per credit note. 11, which cash is not paid. This is date number 25. You write Madhavan is how much? Sendil 1,500. Madhavan is 1,800. Total is 3,800. 3,800. Okay, listen students. First you read carefully sums. Which account you created. First you select. Afterwards only you write in this book. Next one, sum number 6. Sum number 6 is new book. Old book is sum number 12. Listen students, you read carefully. This is important 5 mark sum. From the following information, prepare the necessary of subsidiary books. Nalanda Bookstore, December 2017. First one, broad books from Umadevi on credit. You write or not? Enter or not? You enter. Date number 1, you everybody Tick your book. Date number 1. Brought means purchase book. Listen students, some question is not mention the book name, but mingle so many different entries. This question is not mention book name. First one is purchase book. Second one, date number 7, sold to Sridevi on credit. Sold means sales book. You tick sales book. This 7, date number 7 is, you write only sales book. Date number 10, December 10, brought from Subhash and Co. Brought from Subhash and Co. Brought means purchase. Listen students, this entry, cash is not mentioned, means that is credit entry only. Cash not enter means that entry you write credit side only, credit purchase only. Date number 10 is credit purchase. Date number 1, date number 10 is purchase book. Next, date number 15, written to Ms. Uma Devi, 10 copies of damaged accountancy book for which cash is not received. Return. Return means already Uma Devi is purchased. Next, this one is purchase, return. Listen students, some indirectly some questions. Listen, this is purchase return book. Date number 15 is purchase return book. Date number 18, sold to Gupta brothers on credit. Sales, sold means sales book. Already date number 7, sold to Sridevi. Again one time sold to Gupta brothers. Next one, date number 26, return 6 copies of economics books to Sudha and Co. Sudha and Co means already returned. Subha and Co means purchase, return. Listen students, trade discount means you total value is how much? 2000 rupees is total value means 10% means 200 rupees is minus. Trade discount means you put only minus only. Trade discount. Some charges means last class, sum number 4. One important, freight charges. Freight charges means you added. Discount only, you less only. Discount you less. Freight charges you add. Okay students, very easy only. Clearly I explained which one is sales book, which one is purchase book, which one is purchase return. Okay, you clearly you do this sum in your classwork. Write neatly. Listen students, do not write in overwriting. You write clearly. Listen students, this sum very important method. This question is no one not mentioned in which book you created. You only identified. When easy identify means you 1, 2 or 3 times you read question, you carefully you read means automatically you identify which books you created. This sum is purchase book, purchase return book, sales book. Purchase book means date number 1, date number 10. Trade discount is 15% means total value is 15% put minus. Next one, purchase return book. Date number 15, return. Next, date number 26 is purchase, return. Next, sales book. Date number 7, date number 18. Okay, students. Easy this method, important sum. Everybody, you write your classwork. Okay, students, next class we will discuss next one, some new method sum. Okay, thank you, students.